Once upon a time in a lush forest, there lived a family of rabbits, Cotton, Fluffy, and Snowball. They loved exploring but were warned about the forbidden meadow. One sunny day, their curiosity led them there. Entranced by colorful flowers, they forgot the warning. Suddenly, they heard a loud growl. It was a hungry wolf. Panicked, they dashed back, but Snowball got stuck. Cotton and Fluffy returned, distracting the wolf with their hops and jumps, allowing Snowball to escape. They reached safety, learning a vital lesson about disobedience. The wise owl, witnessing their bravery, praised their unity and warned about dangers. They promised never to disobey again. Their adventure taught them to heed warnings and stick together, understanding that unity is their shield against trouble. They returned home, wiser and closer than ever. Moral: unity and obedience keep friends safe.